Yo, wow, that was a very nice intro. Yo, my fam bam, what is up? It is I, the one and only Calvin Gall AJ, back here today with another Animal Jam video. Psych. Okay, anyways, isn't my Animal Jam look so hot? Just look at that beauty right there. Look at it. Look us right in the face. And you go, wow. Okay, anyways, guys. So today, the video. Yes, the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm sorry, I'm really hyper right now. I just ate a Hershey bar. Anyways, the moment you've all been waiting for. The video. So today, we're going to be doing the Gift Me, Troll Me, or Treat Me challenge. I've never done one of these before, so yeah, we're going to do it. So, let's go snap. Snap it all. Snap it off, my fam man. So we need to go, in order to do this challenge, we need to buy that beautiful, beautiful necklace. No, I'm just not even going to bother to speed up this video. Okay, that seems like a suitable amount. Let me just take everything off a trade, you know. Had all those luscious necklaces on trade. They're so rare, guys. Like, how am I so rare? Look at all these necklaces. I'm so rare. And then you just do the little hawk. There we go. And then you gotta walk around. Then you go to your trade. Then you have a full thing. But it actually doesn't show up like that. So, yeah, now you just gotta go to... Wait, where's my mustache? Mustache. No. No, my mustachio. There we go, my mustache is back. Okay. Doing the Gift Me, Troll Me, or Treat Me challenge. Recording. Control A, C. So we're just gonna... Sorry about the sniffles. I'm almost done with this cold. Almost. I'm on the verge of being done with it, guys. So, yeah. Please help. But once we are back to the full height, oh wow, that was an amazing hair flip. Once we get back to the full height of me, cause you know I'm hype. Oh wow, I don't even let me say. Control A and then just go. Please help. Hype. Hype it up. So yeah, I'm probably gonna speed this up. So, cause like nothing's. My mom is very back to her own kind. That's very nice. I'm just gonna get out of Flint. Why does everybody want to do purple? Purple is not good for Forgotten Desert. I told you guys that. My Forgotten Desert tips and tricks. Don't do the purple. Please help. So yeah, we're gonna see that moment when you go, just go. Sorry guys, I'm good. It's like, come on guys, you gotta help your fam bam out. Not even one trade. Really. I'm just this lone little koala over here. I need some loaf. I want some loaf. Hang on, I need to write that on my jammogram. I need to write that on my wall. I need loaf. What? Your jammer wall cannot be customized right now. Please try again. No. I need loaf. Submit. Animal Jam, I loafly hate you right now. Help me, guys. I'm recording and nobody's loafing me. I need loaf. I need loaf. Wait, why is everybody following me? Am I famous? Oh, I'm famous. I'm famous. I'm famous. People follow me. Oh, nobody follow me now. I'm just the lone koala over here again. Because nobody loves me. Yeah, so that was an epic fail. Sorry about the no bite. Oh, we're getting our first trade. Oh my god, we actually got something. I'm very, very proud. I'm proud. We're not ending this video yet. We're gonna keep going. We got a first trade. I got some loaf. Shout out to that person. Nobody gave me loaf and you gave me loaf. Thank you. I need my loaf. That was such a huge voice crack. Psych! Sorry about that, guys. If, you might, I'm like, never mind. Sigh, I'll never get a block long. Keep working, and you'll get it, apparently. Hang on, let me close my, spicy door. There, now everybody knows you can't interrupt me. I'm doing spicy. Okay, I'm good. So, nobody's give me loaf. I need loaf. I want loaf. I want loaf. Animal Jam. Holy actual fudge. Nobody give me loaf. I want loaf. Nobody give me loaf. I'm gonna go over to my bed and cry. Guys, nobody gives me any loaf. Nobody. No, I'm fine. I'm fine, guys. Don't worry. I'm fine. Yeah. Psych. So, yeah, I'm fine, but nobody give me loaf. No, I'm joking. I'm fine, guys. But anyways, this was an epic thumbs down fail. Yeah. I want this cough to go. Anyways, hope you guys all had a wonderful Monday. Yeah, psych. Super ready for Thursday to come. And there's a bee on my window on the outside. But I'm fine with that because it's not on the inside. It's on the outside. Anyways, guys, hope you all had a wonderful snapping day. So, yeah. Bye, guys.